Very good evening, everyone. Very good evening, all our partners, our visionaries, all our esteemed guests. Welcome to the inaugural event of the project, The Mine Vision, a step towards sustainable mining. I am Megha Athotra, your master of ceremony for the evening, and I am here to announce, and I take absolute delight, that today we are going to witness a groundbreaking, a powerful alliance of Dilip Buildcon Limited and Dassault Systems, because both the conglomerates are all set to redefine the mining sector through their technological innovations and sustainable practices. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment I say Dilip Buildcon Limited, DBL. So being a citizen of Madhya Pradesh, I would emotionally just say that we are the best, aren't we? We are the best. But thank you. DBL, Dilip Buildcon Limited, the largest, fastest infrastructure growing company in India. DBL, the stalwart in mining infrastructure and operations. DBL, very well known for its excellent execution strategies and its robust engineering capacities. DBL, ladies and gentlemen, is the company which is focused and dedicated and committed to not just building India, but in shaping India's future. And at Dassault Systems, we believe that science is a DNA. Don't we? We do, isn't it? And only through science and technology can we contribute in the sustainable social progress of the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, I take immense honor in once again saying, and it is not an exaggeration at all, that DBL along with Dassault Systems coming together, this partnership is nothing less than a revolution in the mining sector. So what has been the news? What has been the global news in the mining sector? Let me bring you some. It is estimated that more than 500% of critical minerals would be required by the year 2050. They also say that 360 to 450 billion dollar investment would be required to meet the requirement, and in the coming just 3 years. And also, they say that in 2022, there was a green bond issued so that the miners have better scope for the capitals coming in. Ladies and gentlemen, all of this is happening globally, but there's a lot to do. There's a lot to be done. You know why? Because the regulators, the communities, the governance, their expectations out of the mining companies is, especially around their environmental, social and governance issues, has only profoundly shifted. Today, 59% of investors, they expect their miners to be focusing on decarbonization. Today, 35% of mining CEOs say that within next 5 years, we would be challenged by high climate risks. And in fact, ESW is expected, is calculated, is the highest risk in the mining sector. And hello, did I say risk? When I say risk, what does DBL and Dassault Systems think together? They just see opportunity in the risk, and that is what the evening is all about.
Megha, I must say that you have set up a very exciting start of this evening. Thank you very
so much,
much.
sir.